2006 Ford F-350 gas engine. I repeat, gas engine 4x4, 114,000 miles. Brand new tires, ranch hand grill guard. In wonderful condition, not beat up, very straight. You'll be lucky to find a door ding or a scratch in it. Texas vehicle, no rust. Running boards. Has a little step. Tow package with plug. Bed liner. Very clean truck. 4-door extended cab. Pretty basic truck. But if you've been looking for an 8-foot bed, 3,500 4x4 with low miles, this is it. $114,000 miles, aftermarket radio with Bluetooth. Perfect Carfax report, no accidents. A 2006 Ford F-350 4x4 extended cab, 4 doors, gas engine, needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically, in amazing condition. 8-foot bed.